Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, take out your Oxford New Countdown Book 3. Today we will do question number 12 of exercise 2E. So students, take out your math books and open book page number 95. Today we will do question number 12. Solve the following sums in your notebook. There are A, B, C, D and only E parts are included. So you have to do these questions on your math notebooks. So take out your notebook also and draw the margin lines. Write date, topic is exercise 2E, and then start to solve it. So look at the first question. 660 divided by 6. As students, in my previous lecture we have done 2 digits, division of 2 digit. Okay, now there are 3 digits, ones, tens, 100. Okay, when there were 2 digits, so we start from our 10th side. Okay students, जब हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 डिजिट होते हैं डिवीजन में, जैसे कि हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में मैंने आपको बताया था, तो उसमें हम 10th साइड से शुरू करते हैं डिवाइड करना. ठीक है, दिस इज़ आवर in 2 numbers, this is our 1 side and this is our 10 side, but now there are 3 digits, so we will start from our 100 side. Now this is 600, so we will start dividing from this side. Okay, so read the table of 6 एंड बेटा जैसे कि आपको पता है यहाँ पे अब बहुत बड़ा नंबर है और ये 6 के टेबल में तो 660 होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है, तो अब हमने इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप करना है. पहले वंस, टेंस और 100 है ना, तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम 100 के नीचे जो नंबर होगा हमने उसको पहले सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करना है. ठीक है, ताकि पहले इसके बाद जो है हमने नेक्स्ट नंबर को, उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर को, तो सबसे पहले हम इसको देखते हैं कैसे सॉल्व करना है. ओके, first of all we will read the table of 6. 6 1s are 6. Yes, we got the answer, so we will write 6 1s are 6. So students, now we will subtract it. Put this sign, subtraction sign, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, now move to the next number. Now we will make an arrow and we will drag this number down. ओके, जब स्टूडेंट्स ये नंबर आप देख सकते हैं कि ये नंबर हो गया फिनिश, 6 minus 6 0, so 0 have no value, so we will drag this arrow down and bring this number down. Okay, one number. So now again 6 1s are 6. Again we will subtract this number and you can cut this 0 because it has no value. Okay, now again 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay, there is our last number now. So students, we will drag the arrow down and we will bring this 0 down. Okay, so again 6 zeros are zeros. Okay, now 0 minus 0 0, so now we have no number. Okay, so 0 is remainder, so our answer is 110 remainder 0. So this is our answer. Now move part B. 809 divided by 8. Again we will read the table of 8 and first of all we will start from our 100 number, ones, tens, 100. So 8 times 1 is 8. Okay, now we will subtract it. So 8 minus 8, 0. Okay, and now this is 0. 0 will come down. This 0 is finished. Okay, now 8 zeros are 0. Again we will subtract this number. Again 0 minus 0, 0, and we will drag 9 down. Okay students, now read the table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So obviously we will write 8 ones are 8. Now we will subtract it, and 9 minus 8, 1. So 1 is our remainder. So how we will write the answer? 101 remainder. REM mean remainder. This is the short form of remainder. Remainder 1. This is our answer. Now part C, 778 divided by 7. So again we will start from this side. 7 ones are 7, and 7 minus 7, students, how many? 0. Next number will come down, so we will drag the number down. 7 will come here now, and this 0 has no value because the 0 that is on our left side, okay, has no value. As you done 0, as you write like this: 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4, but this number is only 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is 0 has no value. Okay, now 7 ones are 7. Again we will subtract it. 7 minus 7, 0. Again 8 will come down. Okay, now 7 ones are 7, because 7 twos are 14, but we need smaller number. Okay, so 7 ones are 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So our answer is 111 remainder 1. Okay students, now 846 divided by 4. So read the table of 4 to get the answer 8. 4 ones are 8, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we get the answer 4 twos are 8. So now we will subtract it. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 will come here. Okay, now 4 ones are 4. So 4 ones are 4. Again we will subtract it. 4 minus 4, again 0. Now again this number will come down, 6. And in the table of 4 there is no answer 6. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. So we will write 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now 6 minus 4, 2. So remainder is 2. So our answer is 211 remainder 2. Okay students, do A, B, C and D parts on your math notebooks. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.